Hey everybody, welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs by Simple DIYer. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. As always, you can check the description box for the list of items used. First, you're going to want to take these two mirrors and remove the foam legs and the stickers off of both backs. Next, you're going to want to take the apple barrel paint in the color brown oxide and paint the back of both mirrors. Once the paint is fully dry, you're going to take the apple barrel paint in the color antique white and just dry brush that all over the backs of both mirrors. We're going to take these two candy dishes and we're just going to be using the tops in this DIY. This step is optional. I went ahead and took the plastic ring off, that way I didn't get any paint on it, but you could also use painter's tape and just tape around it as well. We're going to follow the same painting steps for these lids. First, we're going to paint the color brown oxide. Once that's dry, then we're going to use the antique white to dry brush on the top. Once the paint is fully dry, you can go ahead and pop back on the plastic rings. Next, we're going to be using these cylinder vases. One is a 7.5-inch vase and the other is a 9-inch vase. We're just going to go ahead and glue these to the bottom of the mirrors. Now I am using hot glue for video purposes, but I always suggest using a mixture of E6000 and hot glue for a more permanent hold. Once you have the bottoms glued on, you can go ahead and take the top lids and place them on the vases. They do fit perfectly. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you're loving these farmhouse DIYs. Now you can fill these with anything you would like. I went ahead and used these pillar candles, and I'm going to use some greenery as well. Of course, I wouldn't suggest lighting these. These are just for decorational purposes. Once you place the lids back on the vases, your project will be completed. For the second project, we're going to take 3 8x10 canvases, and we're just going to take the canvas off. Now I did go ahead and remove the staples because I do want to use the canvas for a future project, but you can also just cut it off, whichever way is easier for you. Once all the staples are removed and you remove the canvases, you're going to want to go ahead and paint all 3 using the brown oxide color. Once the paint's fully dry, you're going to take the antique white and just dry brush that on all 3 wood frames. As always, I want to thank all my current subscribers, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and glue the 3 frames together. It's a little bit difficult for me to explain, but you can see what I'm doing in the video. Also, it'll be a little bit easier for you to glue it. It was a little more difficult for me just because I was trying to keep the frames in focus while I was recording. Once all 3 frames are glued, this is what it should look like. You should have a triangle shape. Now I'm going to take these 2 little wire containers and I'm going to paint them in the color brown oxide. And here's what they'll look like. They don't have to be perfect because it makes them look more rustic. Now I'm just going to take this jute twine and I'm going to go ahead and make a hanging basket. And here's what the little hanging basket will look like. Once that's complete, you're going to want to go ahead and put a strip of glue in the top of the frames at the triangle point. Then you're going to go ahead and take your basket and put the jute twine along that line of glue. And here's your completed flower hanging basket. I went ahead and just put some boxwood greenery in it, but you can put any type of floral flowers that you'd like. Finish off this little hanging basket. I'm just going to add a few pieces of greenery to the top and to the sides. For the last DIY, it's super easy. I'm just going to take that second wire basket and fill it with some greenery, and it'll be completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see every time that I upload a new video. As always, you can leave me a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, have a great day.